Hello, my name is Ina. I am a founder of the IT company. To Phantombuster, we give 5 out of 5. For more reviews like this, please click on the link below. Before Phantombuster, we haven't used any of the products, so the main idea with us was how can we collect the data which was required, and this is data from the publicly available websites. The idea behind is that to rebuild the software which does the job which the Phantombuster job is doing will be pretty difficult. It will take some time, so we were looking for some commercial solutions. And Phantombuster is the only one product that we found that fits our needs. Right, there are many reasons for that. One of them is that we were looking for some very specific information. How can we get them at scale, but how can we also have it done from the multiple computers? And the Phantombuster is a good tool, and it did the job well. First of all, we haven't found any other decent solutions, and we went just with this one. The first reason is that it is pretty straightforward to use. So you just need to put the link from which you would like to take the dataset. Of course, you can use some scraping, some other tools, but with Phantombuster, it is everything automated, and this is a big advantage. So you don't need to build or adapt it to the different websites. Everything is already there. You just need to select from which website you would like to have, and they have the pre-built algorithm. The next is that it is also pretty easy to work with the data after the data is received. And you can also have the data stored on their website, and it is a good tool. Of course, there are some small drawbacks. It is pretty expensive if you want to do a lot, but at least for the beginning, it was a good use, and we made a lot of use out of it. It is a SaaS, and it is pretty straightforward. So there are not so many fields. The first field is that you need to select the place from which you would like to do the scraping for your data. The second, you need to provide some specific fields, and then you need to specify how would you like to save the file. It is pretty easy. There is nothing difficult. It starts to be some cumbersome things once you receive the data, but that depends, of course, on the original input. Maybe it depends also on some internal processes of the Phantombuster, but it is very straightforward process, and every time we will need it, we will turn anyway to this tool, and there are no other tools better than this available. So if you need something decent where you want to work with a lot of pages and you have very structured information and you want to do it quickly, the Phantombuster is a solution. Of course, you have restriction by the number of searches, right? And this is what makes it pretty expensive. But when you're doing it stably from 1 month to another month, this is a very good tool. First of all, you need to understand exactly what do you want to achieve. The tool is really good, but you need to understand which kind of final data you can have with it, and they provide the trial, so you can take a trial and see how it works. You also need to keep in mind that there will be restriction not just by the number of searches, there will be restriction by time of the server, how long you're doing the searches, right? So if your searches, let's say, take several hours, this will be such a pricing package for that. And this is what you need to keep in mind to set the priorities correctly. But once you understand the process, how it works, this is really good tool. Of course, it may be not for everyone, but once you understand what exactly you're looking for, this is the best tool for such job on the market.